Hello friends, so welcome back my channel Smart English Up with Preeti. So I am here with the new informative video for my viewer that is about Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo is very famous artist and scientist. He born in the Vinci Place in 1452. This is in Italy. So he started his journey from there. His father and mother, his father is advocate and mother is a peasant mother. So both are unmarried couple. They born the baby of Leonardo, but they left away to the Leonardo, and then Leonardo will become young, very small on that time. So he got a painter. He is a very curiosity person. So he always curiosity how sunset and how sunrise and how color was changes. And then he observed the thing how how works the fly. So he observed all the natures and all the things surrounding there. When he was 13 years, that time one painter master came to the Leonardo and said, if you came with me, then I can take of you. You can do you have to do all the house chores, and you got a chance to do the painting. That day Leonardo also come with him, the painter master. Painter master take him away from their place and take him away in their place, and Leonardo was living with the painter master home, and he is doing some house chores, some other things. One day he said that after completing all house chores, you can do the painting on paint board. One day painter master said, I am going outside, so you have a chance to painting in my paint board. Actually I created a painting there, but there is some space was there, so I am going outside, but you have a chance to paint there something. So that day Leonardo created a painting. There is a two girl, both are very innovative. Like whatever the painting he created, that is very innovative girl. That is very innocent girl, and look like they want to say something like that. So when painter master coming back from their work at home, he see like painting is very different. Like whatever the painting done by the Leonardo, that is saying something saying to us. Like both girls was painted, that is very innocence and want to say something in the painting. So that day actually it's a fabulous or marvelous can see. So that day painter master said to the Leonardo, whatever the painting you created, that I never done in my 35-year career. So that day painter master said that I left my painting journey. I will never do it again painting, because I didn't do whatever you have to done at 13-year age. So that day painter master left the painting, and then Leonardo will become an adult in future, like he will become young. That time actually he accused by the society, you have done like a gay. Actually that time this is not legal, but nowadays it's a legal. It's like a gay, so but people are not accepted on that time. So that day actually he accused by the people, but it's not right. I think on that time people are don't know about that, but that time society is not accepted that kind of people. So Leonardo left the place and he confined to himself in one place. this place nobody was there. Actually he confined for 4 years himself in a place. There he observing the thing, and he read it lots of books about science, about anatomy, about nature. Actually he observed all the thing. Actually he was very curiosity person, so he observed the thing, and that duration he created a diary, or he created a some notebook. There he was mentioning all the thing whatever he observing. So that time he created a note and diary. So there he was mentioning everything and wrote it down all the things whatever he observing and whatever he read it. So that he will be write it down, but his writing is not in our right side. Actually he whatever he is writing in the diary, that is in opposite side. So nobody can read, nobody can't read. So that time he started to writing that all the thing whatever he observing, but nobody can't read that thing. So that is in opposite side. If you want to read the book and the notebook, so that if you want to read, so you have to see on the mirror for reading, because he don't want to do that. Like people can read whatever he is writing. Actually whatever the innovation is having in our country and in our world, that is wrote it down before when Leonardo was young. So he noted down, he wrote it down all the thing, like it's how fly, how words fly, and how colors change. Actually he observing the colors also, how to make the colors, because he was a very famous artist. His painting is the very famous. This is the Mona Lisa painting. Mona Lisa painting is in Italy. If anyone want to watch, like if anyone want to see that painting, so they have to invest 50,000 rupees for watching that painting, because in that painting, like whatever he painted, that is saying like it's like some they want to like that painting Mona Lisa painting seeing something. If you want to see that painting, so you seen there like she want to say something in their painting like that. So that is very famous painting by the Leonardo. And after completing 4 years, he wrote it down everything, how fly, how words fly, how like words how fly. That is why innovation come, like aeroplane, like plane was come. Actually everything will be written down before by the Leonardo, but nobody knows that about that. It's already written by the Leonardo, but innovation comes later after completing their journey. Actually after 4 years he left away his place, and he moved France. After moving France, he will be doing work over there as an artist and as a scientist also working there. After coming whole life, entire life he is working as a scientist and artist. And he is known for the famous artist about the Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is the famous painting done by the Leonardo. He is very, actually he didn't go anywhere for big school, but he always observed the thing, how things work, how sunset rise, how words fly, how minds work. He also read it out the anatomy. So he knows that how X-ray work, how every veins and everything will be happen. So that thing he already mentioned their notebook when he was young. So he already wrote it all the thing, but innovation do it by later. So that is about to the Leonardo da Vinci story. If you like this kind of video, so please like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much for watching my video.